Kumarjit Laishram's Manipur Fashion Week 2018. The Red Letter Day is finally here. We are so proud and excited to present to you the ultimate fashion event created by the one and only, the unbeatable, it's the unstoppable Kumarjit Laishram. Won't you please give him a big hand, ladies and gentlemen? A big cheer for Kumarjit Laishram. Ladies and gentlemen, and boys and girls, we are so privileged to have each one of you this evening. Representing all of you, may I take the privilege of inviting on stage Kumari A.K. Mirabai, Honorable MLA, Patsoi Assembly Constituency. Ma'am, may we have you on stage? May I invite a representative of the Directorate of Handloom and Textiles, Government of Manipur, a representative of the Department of Handloom and Textiles, Government of Manipur, and the beautiful Ankita Kumari, Miss India International 2017. Kumarjit Laishram will now present a memento and a gift hamper to the Honorable MLA of Patsoi Assembly Constituency, Kumari A.K. Mirabai. A big hand, ladies and gentlemen. A gift hamper of Manipur Fashion Week 2018, a memento of the Fashion Week. Next, the beautiful Ankita Kumari, Miss India International 2017, will be given a very hearty and heartfelt Manipuri welcome. Kumarjit Laishram to present a gift hamper, and this will be followed by the memento of the Fashion Week 2018. Thank you so much, Kumarjit Laishram. And to do us the honors of, please stay on stage, ma'am. To do us the honors of cutting the cake of Manipur Fashion Week 2018, may we invite the Honorable MLA of Patsoi AC, Ankita Kumari, Miss India International 2017, Kumarjit Laishram, fashion designer and presenter of Manipur Fashion Week 2018, Khaba Kesam, founder of Salt Studio and host of the event. May we have you on stage for the cake cutting. A very auspicious event, the cutting of the Manipur Fashion Week 2018 cake by the two lovely ladies, the Honorable MLA and Miss India International 2017, Kumarjit Laishram, the presenter of the event and the host of the event, Khaba Kesam, to do us the honors. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Kindly take your seats. Ladies and gentlemen, to present a few words of welcome and give us a glimpse of Why Manipur Fashion Week 2018, may I invite Kumarjit Laishram. Kumarjit Laishram, for the welcome and keynote address, it's Kumarjit Laishram. Once again, give him a big hand of welcome.
Ahan maktada lamsiba koliba ima langolai mi mai ima bustu khurumjari ngasigi Manipur Fashion Week ai isana present tawjaraga Kumarjit Laishram pangthok saba asida mayamna harau na lakpi begi damakta ngomkhailitana nungaiba phondok sari aduga ngasigi aina program sigi special guest oina kawjaruba matamda harau ya birakpa aigi kendragi pasoi kendragi ise mirabai Srimati AK Kumari Mirabai Devi Buzu, aina ngamkhailitana thagachari aduga aigi program sigi special showstopper oina invite tawbada lakpi riba koigi Ankita Kumari busu aina nungaiba phondokchari aduga ngasigi program ase aina pangthoksibagi maramdi karino habada koigi Manipurda Handloom gi product sing subu awang bathakta promote tawnan bagi damakta phisabi kayana phisara basu akhoi gi sugumba fashion events da puthokpa phajaba mayam do show tawraga model mayam da salhalaga puthokpa leitragadi akhoi gi pothoiba phajariba pothok sing do akhoi gi magun handai haina laujai madu punamak to koina hena awang bathakta national da international da hena pukhatpangam nimakta aina suguma event ase sinjabani adubu ngasigi program asida main akoigi designer kaya di yaujadre akoigi handloom da base toba entrepreneur sing na program ase akoigi saruk yazaba ngatani akoigi Directorate of Handloom and Textile Government of Manipur na jo support tobi aigi program segi damakta Directorate of Handloom and Textile Government of Manipur busu aina ngamkhailitana thagachari program asibu mapung phan bibegi damakta aduga ngasigi aina program asibu success oine nabagi damakta tumba saba khangdana tha kaya ma hafta kaya ma waraba matungda ngasi sigi phibam se laksabani mayamna sida asoi ngam yaubira basu mayamna ngakpigani aduga matungda sidagi hena phajaba amadi hena promotion tobangamba mayamda tobangamba oizage mayamna su wish pbu aduga ngasigi aina honazaba sida mayamna aigi natana fashion events that tiliba yauriba khudimak pu support obiraga lakpiriba khudimak pu aina ngamkhailitana thagachari matungda su mayam support obiu mayam su soidana lakpiu duga ngasigi fashion event asibu su mayamna harauna pangthokpa sida mayam su enjoy tobiu hairibo hai khrase haizaraga losanjaragi. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kumarjit Laishram. Representing the home constituency of Kumarjit Laishram in the Manipur Legislative Assembly, Kumari AK Mirabai. It's a joy on behalf of Kumarjit Laishram to invite you, ma'am, on stage to speak a few words on this very joyous occasion. Please give her a big hand. Kumari AK Mirabai, Honorable Member of Legislative Assembly.
Good evening, everyone. Ngasigi nungaraba Manipur Fashion Week 2018 inaugurate function nasida toidok hendokna India gi adugumlaba Miss India oina tabir labi Ankita Miss and bamatada welcome dogjari loinana asigumlaba organized toriba aginau Laishram Kumarjit mahak pusu ayak isagi taraptagi welcome tawbaga loinana namkhai leitana thagachari loinana asigumlaba fashion week asibu support tawbina bagi damakta invite tawduna lengbirak riba amadi makbu support tawbiriba loinana Manipur Handloom and Industry Department Bushu, Makwelaitana Tagachari, Department Ki Maikai Dachu, Achoba Tingbang, Equina PB, Hibasitaba Matamda, Yamna, ꯆꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯆꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯖꯩ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯁꯟ ꯏꯚꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯤꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯤꯄꯦꯟꯠꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯋꯦꯜꯀꯝ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯀꯚꯔꯦꯖ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯟꯠ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯏꯂꯦꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯅꯤꯛ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯤꯜ ꯏꯅꯥꯎ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯈꯤꯕꯤꯛꯄꯨꯁꯨ ꯉꯝꯈꯩ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯋꯦꯜꯀꯝꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯕꯁꯨ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯊꯣꯏꯗꯣꯛ ꯍꯦꯟꯗꯣꯛꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯐꯦꯁꯟ ꯋꯤꯛ ꯀꯔꯤꯗ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯦꯠꯆ ꯏꯟꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯍꯦꯟꯂꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯥꯡꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯥ ꯍꯩꯔꯕꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯗꯤꯖꯥꯏꯟ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯇꯧꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯁꯥꯡꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯩꯊꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯡꯊꯣꯏꯔꯕ ꯈꯨꯠꯀꯤ ꯍꯩꯁꯤꯡꯂꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯗꯤꯖꯥꯏꯟ ꯀꯌꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯣ ꯀꯌꯥꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯃꯣꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯀꯅꯃꯤꯗ ꯁꯦꯞ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯏꯀꯅꯃꯤꯗ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯣꯠ ꯂꯥꯛꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯥꯠ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯁꯟ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤꯅ ꯁꯛꯈꯪꯕꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯉꯩꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯤꯡꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯥ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯄꯟꯊꯨꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯌꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯂꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯇꯦꯜꯂꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯁ꯭ꯔꯝ ꯀꯨꯃꯥꯔꯖꯤꯠꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯆꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯆꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕ ꯃꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯡꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯀꯥꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯄꯜꯂꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯡꯈꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯏꯕꯨꯡꯉꯣ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯌꯥꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯅꯣꯔꯠ ꯏꯁꯠ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯣꯝꯊꯤꯟ ꯉꯥꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯒꯦꯝ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯇꯁꯨ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯅ ꯋꯦꯠ ꯂꯤꯇꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯤꯔꯥꯕꯥꯏ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯂꯧꯔꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯃꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯪꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯀꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯅꯤꯕꯨꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯉꯝꯈꯩ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯇꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯉꯝꯈꯩ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯡꯕ ꯊꯥꯛꯇ ꯄꯨꯈꯠꯂꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯃꯛ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯩ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯣꯁꯦ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯏꯁꯣꯔꯅ ꯄꯤꯅꯕꯤꯁꯅꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯀꯨꯃꯥꯔꯖꯤꯠꯀꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯉꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯥꯎꯠꯁꯥꯏꯠ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯏꯟꯁꯥꯏꯠ ꯀꯌꯥꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯈꯤꯕꯤ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯄꯨ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯏꯟꯀꯔꯦꯖ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯣꯜꯋꯦꯁ ꯇꯥꯏꯝ ꯃꯥꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩ ꯂꯦꯞꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯃꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯂꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯣ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯟ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯆꯨꯞꯅꯒꯤ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ 30,000 ꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯀꯨꯃꯥꯔꯖꯤꯠꯀꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯣ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯊꯧꯒꯠꯄꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯂꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯑꯆꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯁꯤ ꯀꯨꯃꯥꯔꯖꯤꯠꯃꯛꯇ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯤꯟꯅꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯂꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯛꯅꯕꯁꯨ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯖꯔꯤ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯈꯔꯁꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯒ ꯂꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯈꯤꯕꯤ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯅ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯍꯦꯟꯂꯨꯝ ꯋꯤꯛ 2018 ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯏꯁꯣꯔꯅ ꯄꯤꯅꯕꯤꯁꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯤ ꯊꯝꯃꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯒꯦ
We deeply thank Kumari A.K. Mirabai, Honorable MLA, Paso Assembly constituency, for your encouraging words and the supportive contribution of rupees 30,000 towards the endeavor of Kumarjit Laishram. Once again, give her a big hand.